So rolling for the thoracic spine can be very beneficial. There's a multitude of rollers out there. Your fancy, grippy, hard plastic ones, and then your basic foam. You don't need anything more than just the foam. It does the trick with everything. So for rolling of the mid-back, you can work with flexion, extension, as well as rotation. On your back, in a sit-up type position, head supported or just arms across the front, it's important you use your legs to move you. I do not want any sit-up type movement. It's all through the legs to push and pull. In this position, relax, and you can go up and down, just pushing with the legs. Next, with rotation, if you find a particular spot that's a little tighter, you can find it and then slightly laterally flex and push into that roller on that one side, dropping the buttock for approximately 5 seconds. Relax, go to the opposite side, laterally flex, and rotate into that roller. And then you can continue on. If you find another spot, drop that buttocks, laterally flex, rotate into that roller. These are, again, thoracic mobility exercises with irradiation.